Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 2.4% in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The euro got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Toyota Motor agreed to give factory workers their biggest pay increase in 25 years, heightening expectations that bumper pay rises will give the central bank leeway to make a key policy shift next week. Oil prices rose on expectations of strong global demand, including in the world's top consumer, the United States, while somewhat sticky US inflation did not significantly alter expectations that the Fed might start cutting interest rates soon. Ton Network's native token Toncoin has risen by more than 60% in 2 days after Pavel Durov, founder of messaging app Telegram, revealed plans for an initial public offering.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT. The US producer price index will be released at 12:30 GMT. Spain's harmonized index of consumer prices at 0800 hours GMT. Finland's Consumer Price Index at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.